What's going on, guys? This is your boy TJ bringing you another video. Today we got another box here to unbox. This is the battery grip for the Canon SL2. So if you want to see the unboxing, just stay around. I got this bad boy for roughly under $40 here in the US. I purchased this on Amazon. So if you wanna buy this product, I will link it down in the description below. But first, let's unbox this bad boy. So the reason I got this is I wanna have an extra grip for my Canon SL2 because you know I'm lacking one finger when I'm holding the Canon SL2, so I need another extra grip for this bad boy. So what's in the box? First, there's a professional battery grip user instruction, which I don't know if I'm gonna use or what. There's a I think this is the cable to connect from the grip to the camera for the shutter, and no more, nothing inside. This is gonna be a short unboxing, and probably by next time, in my next video, I will do a review using this battery grip. So yeah, some bubble wrap, and here it is. There's a this is the dummy battery that goes into the camera, and of course here's the slot where you're gonna put your battery to battery. I think the battery is LPE17, which this bad boy. So yeah, this item is more on a plasticky thing. So yeah, let's put this bad boy on the Canon SL2. Of course, first we're gonna open the battery compartment. So you just need to put the battery, the dummy battery, like so, just like so, and then you will close this thing, and then you will try. Fortunately, I'm doing it wrong. So it's gonna be this you have to turn it this side like that. My gosh, now it's on. It's not going anywhere. Yep. So we place two battery. I got the two original battery. One down, and the other one. So let's put this bad boy, which is the one that you use for the shutter. There you go. So you have to put it in this side, and the other one is gonna be here, the top. There you go. And let's boot it up. Let's see if it will turns on. It does turn on. Oh wow, let's see if the shutter will work. There you go. Oh my gosh. So yeah, the grip is nice. I mean, it doesn't add up a lot of weights on it. It's perfect in my hand. Yeah. So this what it looks like when you all put them together, and look at the grips. It's perfect in my hand, and so happy with this. It's it has a little weight on it, but it's okay. I mean, this looks good. This looks like a mini Canon 1DX, you know, the king of all Canon. Yeah. Yep. So happy with it. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you can get informed whenever I upload videos. So as always, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. If you're new, comment below. Tell me about my video today. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.